Hello everyone, this is UPack. Today I will introduce you our pallet webbing machine. When you receive this machine, it will take it well, and the upright is on the turntable. The upright is packed by the plastic film to protect it. You need to erect the upright. Open the backboard, make the screw together to make the upright stable. And then connecting the wires. So when you connect the wires, you need to see the two numbers are the same. Connect the same numbers together.